G'day, I have an interesting problem. My keyboard is too big for my backpack. Luckily, for the bag storage spots at home, I'm crafty and bored because, yet again, we're in lockdown. So, this is an easy fix. I'm starting by cutting 3 long strips of fabric, left over from samples that are older than I am. Then, because sewing is a witchcraft I never hope to master, a candle is necessary to satiate the demon that is my sewing machine. Contrary to the following footage, it didn't help. This fabric may actually be old enough to have its own spirits, so 2 candles will probably be used next time. The strips were then turned into loops with elastic at each end so that it was easy to slide the keyboard in and out. Then the loops for the backpack straps were riveted into place. This was a mistake as I made them too narrow and the existing bag straps didn't fit through. But as always, we learned that with a bit of persistence and WD-40 we can make anything fit. Luckily, the elastic meant that the keyboard fit snugly as well, and voila, handy keyboard holster. Stay safe.